G'day guys, my name's Pete from Perfectly Reasonable Necessities, and today we're going to actually make a chopping board out of some camphor laurel that I bought from a wood show, and a mallet out of some scrap timber. Today I'll be using my IsoTunes earbuds just to see how they go as far as the sound reduction goes. I won't be playing music through them at the moment, that's for another day. But yeah, so let's get into it. We hope you like this one. So what I've done here is I've just drawn a quick shape to cut out with a jigsaw, and you can see that it's a live edge board. Bought it for $5. But yeah, so there we go. So first of all, we'll cut this out and we'll see how we go. So we have cheese board. So all I'm going to do on that is just put a little bit of Danish oil when I get some, but that's pretty much. There is one little whoopsie in there that I've got to get rid of. You can see that there, but it's okay. Other than that, she's a good one. It's like a big knot, a big knife. And these earbuds, guys, are awesome if I can get them in properly. There you go. But sweet. Yeah, so they fit in with glasses and stuff. They work really well. There's going to be a review on these. Alright, that's one. Now, let's see if we can make a mallet. So I've done a cutting board. Now what I'm going to attempt to do is, out of some scrap timber I've got lying around, is actually build a mallet. Now this block is quite big, so we're going to build 2 mallets, but today will only be one, and then I'll build the other one later on. We're going to use our chop saw, we're going to cut it in half. Before we do that, we're going to plane the surface, because you can see the cuts are quite uneven. So let's see if we can get that even, shall we? I think Merbau, I think. Looks like Merbau, but it's laminated. A whole bunch of little blocks. It's pressed under a big press. So let's cut it in half and see how we go. The whole idea of cutting things is to make sure that we use one of these to keep our hands well away from the pointy bits. Saw's not on at the moment. Alright. So that there is the mallet. I'll tap that in. Alright, so let's see if we're square. Might recognise this from another video that we did on Craig Multi-Mark tool. There we go. Lovely jubbly. I'll put it on there, that way. We're square to the handle. And that, let me just... There we go. Square to the base. Square to the handle. We're good. Right.